So we talked a little bit about, you know, how to coyote hunt, a little bit of tactics going into it. Tell me a little bit about like why you hunt, because there's a lot of debates out there that, you know, it's not right to hunt coyotes, fox, predators in general, and you know, I kind of want to just get your take on it.
Yeah, so a lot of people will say, you know, well, you don't eat the coyotes, do you?
Right.
Like, no, I don't eat the coyotes.
Right, you hear that a lot.
Yeah, yeah, and so, okay, so now you're hunting them just for their fur and that type of stuff. I don't sell mine because I work too hard for them, and I tan them and and use them for garments and that type of thing for my family. You know, there's other reasons why you're out here. I mean, predator control is a huge thing. When there are, you know, too many coyotes, then you have to worry about mange.
Yep.
You know, and that can affect your domestic animals, your dogs and cats. You know, they can start preying on, you know, livestock. You know, your poultry farmers or cattle farmers. You know, when they're calving, they're going to be out there, you know, killing the calves and raising havoc that way. So there's always reasons why, you know, people are hunting these predators. It's a fun way to get out during the wintertime. You know, more snow, you can snowshoe and get your heart pumping and you know,
kick off the winter blues.
Exactly.
A little bit. Yeah.
You're also scouting, you know, for deer. You know,
kill two birds with one stone.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're out setting out, you know, you see where these bucks are, and you know they're dropping antlers, and so you know there's big bucks in the area. So that's another reason, you know, to get out and predator hunt.